not just only walking on the ramp, but it was like a kind of performance also.
I know, it became a performance which I was not expecting myself. I thought I'm just going to walk the ramp, but then I heard the song and I loved the song, and we were standing backstage with all the girls who were such infectious energy actually, and they were being so supportive of each other and they were cheering. I was watching it on the little TV screen and I suddenly started dancing. So it ended up being a little bit of a jig.
And it was decided, or it was like...
No, it was not decided. I never turn up for rehearsals. They always say कि आप 2 घंटे पहले आ जाइए, रिहर्सल करेंगे, और मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ कि नहीं मैं आ जाऊँगी, कितना बहुत आसान है और मुझे थोड़ी ना परफॉर्म करना है. Just have to walk up and down. How difficult can that be? But you go with the mood. I think I was in a good mood and I liked the music and we were just having fun.
जैसे कि आपने कहा कि काफ़ी मुश्किल होता है, रैंप पर चलना तो काफ़ी आसान होता है, लेकिन डांस करना काफ़ी मुश्किल होता है. तो ये एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा?
ये मतलब ऑब्वियसली फुल ऑन परफॉर्मेंस नहीं था और ऐसा कुछ प्लान नहीं था. और जहाँ तक द लिमिटेशंस ऑफ माय आउटफिट अलाउड मी, मैंने थोड़ा सा बस म्यूज़िक को एंजॉय किया और वो एटमॉस्फेयर जो था, एक माहौल जो बना हुआ था, उससे एंजॉय किया. तो आई थिंक व्हेन यू आर हैविंग फन नथिंग इज़ डिफिकल्ट.
कुणाल को मिस कर रहे थे आप ऐसे?
कुणाल को मैं मतलब अभी घर जाके फिर से देखूंगी, तो मैं बिल्कुल उनको मिस नहीं करती हूँ. और मैं बहुत शर्माती हूँ लोगों के सामने, जब मैं डांस करती हूँ तो मैं बहुत शर्माती हूँ. तो आई थिंक 2 मिनट के लिए मैं अपने आप को भूल गई थी.
सुहा जैसे कि आप ज्वेलरी ब्रांड के लिए वॉक करिए, तो कुणाल ने कोई ज्वेलरी गिफ्ट की है जो आपकी बहुत फेवरेट रही है?
मेरी जो सबसे फेवरेट है, एक्चुअली मैं ज़्यादा ज्वेलरी नहीं पहनती हूँ, but obviously the emotional one that I have is my engagement ring, which is very precious to me, which of course was given to him by me over a year now, actually in July of last year, and it's my most precious piece of jewelry.
Could you tell something about Manali as a designer and the jewelry? What you...
The jewelry I think is beautiful. I've never actually worn a crown like this before, and I've always been a huge fan of Swarovski, Surya Gold, and this is Surya Gold in association with Swarovski. So I feel really very privileged. I know you said I'm a princess, but today I feel like a princess, and that has a lot to do with the jewelry. I'm wearing a beautiful ring. There's a cuff, and there's of course these beautiful earrings and my crown, which I think is really, the final touch.
And what about the designer? Like every designer has their own speciality. Like, what do you say about Manali? Like,
I love what she's made for me. Again, I think it goes with this theme, which is, it's got a slight royal touch to it, and I think it complements the jewelry very well because it is a crown after all, and it's got a bit of a princess-like feel. It's got a bit of a fairy tale-like feel as well.
Yes. To be dressed like.
But I really love it, and I love the work. I love the color. I like that it's very elegant. It's very stylish. It's understated as well, which allows the jewelry to shine as well.
Manali, what have you to say about after the performance actually? Were you nervous? Like, it went very well. Like, everyone enjoyed it. It was quite peppy kind of.
This was absolutely without any rehearsal.
Yes.
So she nailed it completely.
And this was really surprising because she made us dance over there.
I know. If I'm dancing, then you should also dance. इंशाल्लाह दिवाली को अब हमें देख पाएंगे in घायल once again, which is releasing. They're working on the post now. We have 3 days left to shoot, and then there's a film called October 31st, which was playing in the London Film Festival, which will hopefully come to screens in India in October.
The gold and the diamond market is, present. It's not in a very stable condition. Like, what have you to say about this particular platform?
That's for you, I think.
गोल्ड का प्राइस अभी कम आ रहा है ना, तो पब्लिक की डिमांड भी बढ़ रही है उससे.
मार्केट के लिए कितना अच्छा है
मार्केट के लिए ऐसे सबको अफोर्ड करना ईजी हो जाएगा ना. जिसको इतने में 100 ग्राम गोल्ड मिलेगा, उसमें उसको 120 ग्राम मिलेगा, तो वो गुड फॉर.
वो कस्टमर के लिए अच्छा, आप लोगों के पॉइंट ऑफ
हमारे लिए भी अच्छा, फिर मांग बढ़ जाती है, रेट कम हो तो डिमांड बढ़ जाती है.
Also designs.
इंडिपेंडेंस डे भी आ रहा है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? फ्रीडम आपके लिए क्या है और एक इंडिपेंडेंस डे की विश?
ऑब्वियसली मैं सबसे पहले सभी दर्शकों को इंडिपेंडेंस डे पे बहुत बधाई देना चाहती हूँ. इट्स an important day for all of us, marks an important day in our history. I think that India has come a long way. What I value most as an Indian citizen is the fact that it is a true democracy and we do have the right to vote, and it counts. And we've seen how that right to vote has made a difference, whether it was in Delhi or whether it was nationally. So I think that matters a lot. What I also love about this country is the freedom that the media has, which you use very wisely, and I think that that gives me a lot of faith in you. The media can make a true difference.
So when you're talking about freedom, on the other hand, government is banning slowly and steadily everything, like the recent one being porn. So what do you have to say about that?
I, of course, am against censorship. As an artist, I believe in freedom. And I think that banning things is never the right way to go. Because there's always a grey market and there's always a lack of regulation that comes about, which never really addresses the problem. So I don't think banning anything, especially the ban recently on porn, makes no sense to me. So I don't think that it's a good move.
Thank you.
Thank you. Which ring? This ring or this ring? This is my engagement ring and this is Surya Gold with
Thank you.
Thank you.